The world we live in is a fascinating and extraordinary place, filled with marvels of nature and human invention. However, amidst the wonders, there are objects that possess the potential to cause immense destruction. Today, we delve into the realm of the most dangerous objects on Earth, those that, while awe-inspiring, continue to pose significant threats to our planet and humanity. To begin with, let's turn our attention to nuclear weapons. Conceived during the tumultuous years of World War II, these weapons remain one of the most powerful forces ever created by mankind. Their capacity for devastation is unparalleled, with a single warhead possessing the potential to annihilate entire cities. Despite disarmament efforts, global stockpiles of nuclear weapons still number in the thousands. Deteriorating international relations and escalating tensions between nuclear-armed nations ensure that the specter of nuclear warfare remains an ever-present threat to humanity's existence. Next, we examine biosafety level 4 pathogens. These microscopic entities, like Ebola, Marburg virus, and the newly emerged infectious diseases such as Hendra or Nipah, pose dire risks due to their high mortality rates and lack of available treatments. The containment facilities known as BSL-4 labs, designed to study these pathogens, are constructed with rigorous safety protocols. Yet, it is these very pathogens, when mishandled or accessed by nefarious individuals, that could precipitate pandemics, altering the course of human populations on a global scale. In the realm of natural threats, one might think of supervolcanoes. Unlike regular volcanoes, supervolcanoes unleash eruptions of cataclysmic proportions. The Yellowstone caldera in the United States is one of the most well-known and potentially dangerous. Although not erupting regularly, its past activities remind us of the capacity of supervolcanoes to spew vast quantities of ash and gases into the atmosphere, causing dramatic climate shifts and drastically impacting life on Earth. Another formidable threat comes from space, near-Earth objects, or NEOS. These celestial bodies, including asteroids and comets, travel through our solar system, sometimes veering close to our planet. While many NEOs have been catalogued and tracked, there remains uncertainty about those yet undiscovered. A collision with an object even a fraction of the size of the one that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs could have a catastrophic impact on our modern civilization. An often overlooked yet prevalent danger lies within the vastness of our oceans, the hazardous cargo carried on thousands of ships traversing the globe. Many of these vessels transport dangerous goods, including volatile chemicals, radioactive materials, and explosive substances. Accidents at sea, although relatively rare, can release these hazardous materials into the environment, causing ecological devastation and posing long-term health risks to coastal communities. Lastly, we must consider the volatile potential of climate change. Although it is a process, rather than a singular object, its influence has been intensified by human activities. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and more frequent and severe weather events threaten the stability of ecosystems, economies, and social structures worldwide. The intricate balance of our environment, built over millions of years, risks being disrupted on a scale that could lead to irreversible damage. And so, as we reflect on these dangerous objects and phenomena, it is crucial that we acknowledge our role in mitigating these threats. Technological advancements have equipped us with tools to predict, prevent, and protect against potential disasters. International cooperation remains key in harnessing these technologies, alongside robust policies and initiatives to safeguard our planet. Efforts in diplomacy, scientific research, and environmental stewardship hold the promise of reducing our susceptibility to these existential threats. As we conclude our exploration of the most dangerous objects on Earth, it is our responsibility to remain vigilant and informed. The dangers they pose are formidable, yet they are not insurmountable. Through collaboration and conscientious management of our resources and capabilities, we can chart a path that lessens their impact and secures a future that continues to marvel at the wonders of our world while keeping its threats firmly in check.